My name is John McKeon, and I'm the moderator of the Teradata River community, Teradata Neprimo's largest customer community. You can connect with us at teradataRiver2.com. Today, we'd like to welcome Lisa Steckman, information architect at LexisNexis. Everybody knows LexisNexis, computer-assisted legal. Research, probably one of the biggest electronic databases for legal and public records. Lisa, welcome to the River.
Thank you.
Lisa has got a really interesting presentation she'll be doing at Partners Conference this year, Deploying Oracle BI Apps, Tuning for Maximum ROI and Customer Sat. Lisa has some great stories about all the learnings they went through when deploying their solution. Lisa, give me some things that we should all think about before purchasing a packaged BI app.
Sure. I think one of the most important things to do when you're looking at a packaged BI analytics application from Oracle is to understand what you're really getting and how you best leverage that. They definitely have a place. They can dramatically save on your total cost of ownership and your time to market, but you really have to embrace what you get. When you try to manipulate that to be something else, to add in additional information, to hang additional data off, you really start to decrease your return on your investment. You paid the money up front so that you got something right away that you didn't have to manipulate so that you could satisfy your customers quickly and meet their needs.
Lisa, you have some do's and don'ts how to protect your ROI, and everybody wants to protect their ROI. Give me some of the hard lessons learned from your team.
Sure. So a few things that we learned. We have had a lot of successes and some failures over the last 5 years as we've implemented the sales module from Oracle's CRM solution as well as their package analytics for sales. One of the big things that we've learned is you definitely need to stay in the package data model as a rule. This gives you the pre-configured indexing. You have a lot better performance. Your loads will go smoothly. Very little modifications required from an operational perspective. So that's definitely a do that we've learned. One of the big don'ts that we've learned is when you start creating custom relationships. So now if you decide that you have information that's not within this data model, maybe you have some additional information in a marketing database or in an enterprise data warehouse, and you want to try and pull that information together in this one place, you would think that from a customer experience perspective, your sales organization would appreciate having all of this in one interface. But what ends up happening is every time you extend that model or try to add to that model and manipulate that model, even if it's with a simple thing like changing a relationship in the model, you start to degrade your performance. Your load times may be extended. You'll have issues with reliability as different data sources have to be mapped in. The model is that you have a front-end system that you're pulling information from on a consistent schedule and in a consistent manner. So once you start changing that in the middle, you really start to degrade your return on investment.
So Lisa, now that you are wise in the ways of all these things and had this great learning, if I come to you and listen to your presentation and I was in the same position you were, how much money do you think I would save in terms of dollars and actual time if I followed your great learnings?
Well, I did pull some information together just for reference, and what I found is doing it the wrong way, which is admittedly the way that we've really done it over the last 5 years, is extremely costly. So if you think about it as your savings that you're not going to have to invest up front or ongoing, we have spent on average about $2.5 million a year in operational and project change costs in this environment. So I can probably save you about $2.5 million a year. We're close to it.
Well, I don't know about anybody else, but I'm going to attend Lisa's session here. Lisa Steckman, information architect, LexisNexis. She's going to be doing a great job with this, deploying Oracle BI apps, tuning for maximum ROI and customer sat. She has got the stories that's going to save you a lot of money. We look forward to hearing you at Partners, Lisa.
Thank you very much.